Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm here with BoomBoomWick, and today we're gonna be doing a fireworks show with so yeah, let's get started. Crap. 16. There. Alright guys, sit back and enjoy our video. Let's help him out. And guys, in our next video, we're gonna be probably doing a hockey, like a hockey brawl, and I've built a hockey arena, just like a quick build, and so yeah, I might be with BoomBoomWick here, Mac Hawk, and Super Smith, and plus me. Alright, so guys, let's sit back and enjoy this. Well, wait. Before we do, let's get some stairs. Ooh, what's that? And guys, this used to be a plane, but it got broken. Yeah, I was trying to move it with Movecraft, but it didn't work out so good. Ooh, what's this? Oh no. So guys, we'll probably be wrapping up this video and soon, so I'm gonna be moving around in this, so you guys go ahead and watch. Okay guys, I don't know what's happening. Darn, I spelled happening wrong. Ooh, he's making some more. Ooh, yay! Oh god, what happened here? Jeez, I guess this plane had a meltdown. Alright guys, I'm going to be getting out of the video so you guys can watch. So yeah, I will talk to you almost the end of this video. Alright, see you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I guess I couldn't pause it. And whoa! That was cool. Woo! There he goes. Alright guys, I should be probably wrapping up this video. So, whoa, and the plane. And the plane. And the broken plane. And the broken plane. Huh, you can see like all the brightness of it. That is cool. Oh, there goes one. Yeah. Alright. Guys, this has been Maddox Operator here, so we will be talking to you guys later. Alright, see you guys.